This is before meets.
Like and subscribe.
Guys, in today's video we're gonna do a DIY furniture makeover, and behind me that's the furniture we are DIY. I'm gonna do paint makeover. Right now it's another color. I think it's brown earthy color. I'm not really good at colors. I'm not really good at doing any painting work. This is my first painting work, and trust me, I've like researched online, I've watched videos, I've been postponing. Like I bought this paint like I think 4 months ago. I've been procrastinating because I'm not good in painting, and I just bought some things and I'm gonna do a furniture makeover. This is a really old furniture chest drawer handed down by my sister. It's really old, so I want to paint it white. And come closer, I'll show you what I bought. I went hunting for paints, so I got a paint. Okay, the first things you need, all this is through research. So I need sandpaper, paint. I got this paint at, I went at different supermarkets, but I ended up buying at the game store, Garden City, and this is the paint I'm using. I was really convinced with this one because it's the person who was there told me that it doesn't smell and it's premium paint from Pulse Can. It's eggshell enamel. Yeah, this one was about 800 shillings for the paint, and this brush was really expensive, but I was also convinced like it's a really good brush. It was 400 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, so it's a 100mm brush. The sandpaper was like 30 bob for 1 meter. Yeah, 1 meter is 30 bob. So I've watched really a lot of YouTube videos, and most of them say, okay, others say that I can paint it, but I'll have to paint like 3 coats. So the reason why I have the sandpaper is that, oh sorry guys, is that I can, yeah, and I wore my outfits that I don't mind them getting paint. So the person said that I can do like sand so that the painting is a chicer more or something like that. So let's do this. I zoom you in so that you can see what it's doing. Or to remove a layer of material such as old paint. So I was removing the old paint so that the new paint can soak in really well. Let's do a montage. This is the reason why we had to use the sandpaper. The sandpaper is it is produced in a range of different grit sizes, and I think mine is 120 if I'm not wrong. It is used to remove material from surfaces, either to make them smoother, for example in painting and wood finishing, or sometimes to make the surface rougher, for example as preparation for gluing. Finish sanding and removing everything that is in the chest drawer. Also have to remove this hardware, but I don't have the pliers to do so. It's a semi-gloss base finish design. It provides a washable surface, and it's ideal for areas of high traffic, and it's also where there is exceptional resistance to wear. It can be applied on suitable primed woodwork and metal to provide a subtle sheen finish. Tinting white, 1 liter, it's gonna do the job. I'm going to apply 1 coat and then allow overnight drying between coats. So let's do this. So this is how it looks. As you come, I used many. I'm gonna apply some paint here. Apply kidogo here. Wow. This bread is so good. This is so good. I'm gonna take this outside at the balcony and paint it from there. Let's do this. If you enjoyed this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll be doing more of these. I've wrapped my brush with a foil so that it doesn't dry off. I've finished applying one coat and now they're hair drying. I've put them on the balcony so that they can dry overnight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna do the second coat. Actually the first coat to me looks really good, but I don't know what I'll do with the other paint. Let me show you the paint. Let me show you the thing. Yes.
So this is what I have right now. Yeah.
I wanted to show you how much paint has remained after one coat. I've only used a little and I like the results. I'm so excited. It smells so paint, like, yeah, it smells paint, but it's not that strong. So this is like a 2-day project. I will record after 16 hours. See you tomorrow. We are painting. This is the second day. Paint the second coat. This is the first coat, as you can see. This is the first coat and it's really good. I put my brush here so let's see if it's no, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Good. Then let's go. I'm waiting for the second coat to dry. Yeah, so this is how it's looking. I've left them the balcony because I just want to. I love this paint. You can touch it. Yeah. And this. It turned out beautifully. Yes, I painted also these things. Soaking my paint because I want to use it again. Guys, it has been like, I don't know, like 3 days. Now the new furniture is ready. I'm gonna pull it in and it's gonna stay there. And I don't think you are ready for this surprise. I waited for it because I hate the smell of paint. Luckily this paint was not smelling too much, so I just waited for like 2 overnight stays, 2 nights over, yeah, like 48 hours. Now I'm bringing it in. It is I only used 2 coats, and I still have the paint. The paint is already full, so I'll really recommend that paint. Okay, let me just bring it on. I'm gonna do a montage so that I don't have a long video, you all.